Best deals.
1. Casserole. Built with 4-layer Enviromax enamel coating and compliant with FDA, LFGB, and AIX standards. Free from PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, lead, cadmium, and harmful chemicals for healthier, worry-free meals. Locks in nutrition and preserves flavor, specially engineered to retain essential nutrients, minerals, and natural flavors while ensuring faster cooking and perfect sautéing. Rust-resistant, stain-proof and durable, tough enamel-coated cast iron resists rust, stains, and high heat daily use while maintaining a stunning finish for years, a true kitchen heirloom. Superior heat retention and even cooking ensures consistent heat distribution with no cold spots, delivering flawless results for biryanis, curries, stews, dosas, or pancakes. Ergonomic patent-pending handles, designed for a secure grip and easy control when flipping, stirring, or transferring dishes from stovetop to oven to table. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Peeler. Comes with a large chamber for comfortable grip, and will not fall off during usage, as well as allowing for peeling more garlic cloves. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Milk boiler. Crafted from high-quality, durable stainless steel, this milk boiler is resistant to rust, corrosion, and stains, ensuring long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. Designed with double-wall insulation for faster boiling, enhanced heat retention, and a cool exterior. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Idli maker. Made of premium quality, food-grade 304 stainless steel. Tri-ply sandwich bottom is made of 3 layers of metals. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. The ergonomically designed body of the idli cooker enables heat distribution evenly. Aesthetically designed for enhanced convenience. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Brush. High-strength PVC bristles maintain shape and performance, delivering superior durability for heavy-duty outdoor cleaning tasks. Durable stainless steel construction offers high strength while remaining lightweight for easy handling. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Trivets. To use, simply peel apart and place down with the raised dots facing upwards. Made from heat-resistant silicone, they're stain-resistant, easy to clean and protect valuable worktops and tables. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Egg pan. Perfect for frying multiple eggs or pancakes simultaneously, ensuring even cooking and beautifully shaped results every time. Ideal for making omelets, bacon, burgers, dumplings, and more. Compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stovetops. Designed for comfort and safety, the wooden handle stays cool to the touch. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Fry pan. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron skillet is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins, enriches food with iron, adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency, enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Enjoy restaurant-like yummy dishes. Versatile cookware that allows you to prepare your favorite dishes effortlessly like paneer tikka, chicken curry, pasta, stir-fried veggies and many more. Best in even heating and heat retention that gives excellent cooking results consistently. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Cast iron cookware is long-lasting. To season cast iron cookware, 1. Pour a little vegetable oil and use a clean cloth to apply oil around the entire cookware surface, including the outer portion too. Mildly heat the cookware. 3. Wipe off excess oil, if any. Store cookware until next use. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Containers. Optimize your kitchen storage with our under-shelf containers, turning unused space into valuable storage. The hanging design keeps your countertop clutter-free and organized. Enjoy hassle-free setup with 3M VHB tape, providing a secure hold without damaging your walls. No tools needed. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Vessel. Copper bottom comes with a curved copper-plated base that helps distribute heat evenly and quickly throughout the surface and is made from high-quality stainless steel. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Cookware. Made with high-quality German PFOA-free non-stick, firmly locked into the tough hard anodized surface using a unique patented process, it is safer, stronger and lasts longer than ordinary non-stick. The extra thick tri-ply metal spreads heat evenly and ensures durability. Sturdy stay-cool riveted handles provide comfort and will not loosen, with a glass lid featuring a silicone rim and knob to trap steam, cook faster. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Tissue roll holder. Easy self-adhesive installation with no drilling required and no wall damage. Waterproof design with protective cover keeps toilet paper clean and dry. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Coffee grinder. The metallic burr grinder produces a fine and even ground coffee, which better retains the aroma of coffee and helps you to taste great coffee. The electric coffee grinder offers 16 kinds of grinding sizes. Enjoy the different grind sizes and coffee styles right from the comforts of your kitchen. The coffee grinder has a large capacity to make 12 cups of grounds. The setting of adjustable cups can be used for a single person, for families, or even in the office. The electric burr grinder is small in size and good in quality, and glazed black can better show the texture of the product. Moreover, it will perfectly fit into your kitchen. Upper chamber, container, and the grinding burr mill inside the machine can be removed easily for cleaning. You can use a cleaning brush to clean the insides of the coffee grinder. Grinder is for every coffee lover who needs to drink a perfect cup of coffee brew every morning. You like to make your morning coffee using freshly ground coffee beans. But, you cannot find the right coffee grinder to make the process easier. Start grinding your coffee beans easily with just the press of a button. No more tired arms and wasting 10 to 15 minutes of your valuable morning time. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Whisk. As a flat whisk, twist is ideal for mixing sauces in low pans or for making gravy in roasting trays. Its silicone-coated steel wires are suitable for non-stick cookware and are ideal for scraping and combining ingredients together, preventing them from burning on the bottom of a pan. With a simple turn of the handle, twist also becomes a highly effective balloon whisk. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Laundry bag. A foldable, space-saving laundry organizer built for compact apartments, bedrooms and bathrooms. It can handle heavy loads without bending or breaking. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Mop. This mop redefines squeezing with a revolutionary push and pull design. Picture this, your mop effortlessly squeezes itself, making excess water a thing of the past. Experience the joy of hands-free squeezing, turning your cleaning routine into a delightful dance rather than a chore. This is a versatile cleaning tool that combines the advantages of a water spray, scuzzing and a flat mop. Versatility at its finest. A mop adapts to every surface, marble, tiles, glass, wood, or concrete. The slim design helps to use mop into tight spaces, with best-in-class clearance of 5 cm, it can go under sofa, near all corners and other tight spaces. Product link is given in the 16th link.